Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Accord windshield wipers. First, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and a clean cloth. Next, measure your current wiper blades. The driver's side is usually 26 inches, and the passenger's side is 16 inches. Finally, purchase new blades that match these lengths and your vehicle's specific connector type for a perfect fit. To remove the old blades, first gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks securely in an upright position. Next, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade's connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly, and then slide the entire old wiper blade assembly down and off the arm. Be careful to gently lower the arm back to prevent windshield damage. Now for installation. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it is firmly attached and won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wiper blades. Spray water onto your windshield and activate the wipers, observing for clear, streak-free wiping across the entire glass. For maintenance, regularly clean your windshield and the wiper blades themselves with a mild solution. Inspect your blades every 6 months for any signs of cracks or wear to ensure they always provide optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.